Do this first. This video is about to tell you one principle, one key that will take you to the next level, whether it's for impact, influence, income, to build yourself emotionally, spiritually, whatever level you're trying to go on. Before you do anything else, do this first.
They say the time's supposed to heal ya.
Once again, welcome to the I Am Station, the place and the space for those who are hungry, the heirs of God who are trying to build themselves up spiritually, to mature, and guess what? To reach and grab everything that He has in store for us. We don't want to just be surface level. We want to be fully optimizing ourselves. So when we leave this earth, we have grasped everything and we have poured everything that's on the inside of us out, and we're going to leave our mark here in the earth. And this episode right here is a great one because there's one thing you must do first before you level up. And I don't know what area, what level you're on in your walk, but most importantly, I had to realize I had a big picture, a big vision, but it was one thing that I had to do first. And this goes for anybody that's starting a business, that's trying to become wealthy, break generational curses. I mean, if you're trying to level up and in corporate America, be a manager, CEO, whatever it is that you're trying, maybe you're just trying to get a degree, a GED. Maybe you're trying to stop a habit. But I'm gonna tell you something. It's one thing you must do first. And that one thing is to heal. Before we try to do anything, before we try to serve people, we must heal ourselves. We all have wounds. We all have past experiences. We all have hurts. We all have been broken hearts, whether it's relationally, emotionally, and sometimes even wrong philosophies. Even in religion, we've been broken by false perceptions. And today, visualize yourself releasing all of that. Visualize yourself going to the next level. Visualize yourself as being joyful, peaceful, believing in yourself, knowing who you are. And you can only do that if you heal, if you become whole, fully. What's the use in building something? Because your gift can get you there, your talent can get you, your skill can get you there. But the only thing that will help you to sustain it is your character and your values. And we can only get there if we are healed. Remember, the scripture says, you prosper as your soul prospers. Our soul, our mind, our desires, our emotions. So before we can prosper in the physical and the material, let's prosper in our souls and our thoughts, our emotions, and our desires. Let our desires be lined up in alignment with what God already prepared since the beginning of time. The only way we can do that is allowing Him to heal us, removing those bad thoughts, removing those false emotions, those false images of ourselves. You know, for me, I had a false image of failure because of some past mistakes and choices that I made. So every time I started something, in the back of my mind, those thoughts would be like, well, what if it doesn't work? What if I can't finish it? So those very thoughts held me back from going back to school, from trying to start new things, from even taking promotions on jobs. But this day, I am a graduate. After 20 years, it didn't take me 20 years to graduate, but after 20 years, once I finally did go back and I graduated, I've started businesses, I finished my book, and now I'm stepping out doing videos. But if I would have kept that same mind frame, if I hadn't healed, if my soul hadn't prospered, my mind, my will, and my emotions, then I couldn't prosper in other areas. So there's something that you may be dealing with right now. But I'm going to tell you that first thing to do before you do anything is allow your soul to prosper. Heal in areas. And if you don't know what areas those are, simple prayer. Father, show me what I cannot see. Help me to heal in the areas and the roots that I do not know. Change my perspective. Let me see things from your eyes. Give me the glasses that were created for me, that you gave for me. Creator, show me what I need to see. That very prayer right there can see you on the next level. Whatever level you're on, please find some way to get yourself healed. Stop looking at the bigger picture, trying to see what it is to do to get that success. Because in this season right here, it may just be time for you to heal. This season right here, it may be just time for you to learn how to be committed, to be intentional, to put in discipline. This season right here may not be time for you to reap the harvest. So please take the time to heal the roots and then plant everything that's needed. And from that point on, when you get to that top level of your success, you'll be able to sustain it. It won't crumble. As always, level up. Once again, I'm so glad to see you. Remember, leave a comment, subscribe, and share with someone. This is a community for those who are trying to mature and retrieve and receive everything that God has for us.